Dragon Ball Super Fusion World FB10 Cross Force by the single box random number 20. We've got our two Saiyans and we have 9 times on the die. Here we go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I forgot what number. I said 9, 8. Oh, wow. Wow. I didn't show any of that. But we got the timestamps here. You guys trust me. Come on. You guys trust me. We got 9 times. Just rolled it. We just rolled it. They're 13 seconds apart. It was 13 seconds apart. I'm sleep deprived. Got way too much caffeine in me. There's a lot going on over here. Riff band. Music. That's the double rare secret rare of Gohan. Isn't that sick? So need some riff band. Working on getting it. Trust me, I want to see a lot more riff band too. I need to update my deck, man. Our friend group is so magic build right now. I've not played Riftbound in a little bit. It's truly been too long. Crest saying that Doug is paying heavy on Piccolo. Can you confirm or deny this, Mr. Dimmadome? Alt art leader incoming, says Cress. Long time. Yeah, I mean, I haven't played at all with the new set. It's just kind of freaky to think, huh? Kind of freaky to think. Here we go. We got number 4 and number 8. We got number 3 on the Thanks Dragon Ball, and then 0 on the rare. There's number 2 and number 9. She's got a gun. Number 3 and number 2 on the rares. Here we got 1 and 4. Number 4 with the everyone on Earth. There we got Son Goku on the leader, number 1. We've got 8 and 5. There we got 5 and 0 on the SR of Vegito. Why didn't they bring launch to super? Launch? There we got Loyal Shield on the 5, and there is Slug on the SR on the number 2. Wow, I really had way too much caffeine. I had way too much. I have not felt like this in years. There we got 9 and 1 on the Android. There we got Goku on 7 SR of 17 and 18. I will say limitless. I'm not the right person to ask. I am not the right person to ask. There we got 7 and 7. Looking for a parallel, come on. We got 5 and 7. Seven and 0. We gotta be fixing up to get something huge. They're all hiding. Oh, did I speak too soon? We got number 9 and oh, there's Cell on this secret rare. Number 3. Number 3. There we have Bojack on the 3. 3 and 3. Holy threes. So there he is. Something freaky wacky back there. Then we got number 8. And whoa. Speaking of saying there he is again. Sell on the alt art. The portraits is what I like to call these ones. They are sick nasty looking. Look at that foil, all the texture. I made sure the cheetah print on them. Got all that texture. Got all that texture. My goodness, man. My goodness. There we've got number 5, and there's number 4 on the SR. It's pretty hot, man. It's pretty hot. Let's see one more. Let's see one more. Here we got 7 and 5 on the final Kamehameha. So we like it a friggin' nasty. We got number 2 and 8 on the SR. There it is. We got a Cell box is what we got right here. Whole box of Cell. Speaking of Cell, number 7 on the leader. Something freaky back there, number 1, and damn, dude. Some pretty sick cards out of this. Super Genki Dama on the number 4 alt art. Crazy looking foiling, man. Music, have you seen these cards in person yet? Did you get any yet? They kill it with the gold foiling, I tell you. I tell you. There we got Goku on the number 2. Number 2 on the Son Goku. Oh, that was an SR. Not Dragon Ball, but Chainsaw on the Rift Band. We will have some more Chainsaw Man, I think, coming in the store on Wednesday. Wednesday is when we should see some more of the Chainsaw Man. There we got number 7 and 0 on the Vegeta. Abraham with the live reportings. There we got number 6 and then 4 on the Videl. Last pack, come on. We got one more cool one in us. Final Kamehameha on the 5 and number 9 on the Vegeta for the SR. Be real quick with it. Super quick with it. We got the recap. I'll say the numbers as we see them. Starting with the SRs, we have 9, 2, 8, 4, 2, 2, and 0. We have our alt arts here. We got the secret rare on the number 3. We got the Super Genki Dama on the number 4. Very cool. And Cell on the number 3 on the portrait uncommon alt art. Folks, that was Dragon Ball Super Fusion World by the single box FB10 Cross Force, random number 20. Thank you all very much. Crest says he wants to see a Piccolo in the next box.